Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan, and you really appreciate my video series about the burger, the smokehouse burgers, the burgers of my restaurant. This is a new one. This is the Tex-Mex Burger, okay? So when you say Tex-Mex, of course you say Chipotle, okay? So the Chipotle is a jalapeno pepper that has been smoked, and here you can find it in cans like that. It's a Chipotle in Adobo sauce. The Adobo sauce is a tomato sauce with vinegar, and it's very good. So for the sauce, the perfect sauce for my Tex-Mex burger is the Taco Bell sauce, the Chipotle Taco Bell sauce, but you will not find it very easily in Europe. So I just tried to reproduce it, and I did. I did reproduce the Taco Bell sauce. Okay, it should be a secret, but I will tell you how I do it. We will do the sauce immediately. You will need some mayonnaise, some vinegar, and some apple cider vinegar, and some Chipotle in Adobo. You say Tex-Mex, I need a Tex-Mex Rub. Okay, so I could took any beef Texas Rub, of course, but here I have the chance to get the Malcom's Grande Gringo Rub that I already presented in another video, and this one is a Mexican Rub, which is fantastic with the beef, with the meat. So you will need some salad, onion, and tomatoes, a good bun. I already explained that in the first video. Here I use a cornbread bun, okay, which is fantastic. We will also need a good cheese for that Tex-Mex burger. So I will use, it's very hard to find a good Mexican cheese here in Europe. So I will use the Manchego from Spain. It's a Spanish goat cheese, okay, but it's a hard cheese. All right, so this is the Manchego. It's a little bit spicy, and it's very good on my Tex-Mex burger. Last but not least, it's not mandatory, okay, but you can also put this is a jalapeno, a cream cheese filled jalapeno beignet. It's not really easy to find in superstore, but if you can find it, just please use it on your burger. Is fantastic. The cream cheese with the jalapeno and the crusty bite from the beignet is just perfect on that burger as well. Okay, so for the grill I will use some charcoal, of course, but I will also put some mesquite chunks, because mesquite is the Texas wood, so it will be a perfect addition to get a perfect wood taste on my meat, a Texas kind of wood taste. All right, so let's go. First thing to do, we start the barbecue and we do the sauce. All right. So to prepare the sauce, it's very easy to do. You will just blend some mayonnaise, about 250 to 300 milliliters, and then I will add 2 Chipotle in Adobo with some Adobo sauce in the mix, and 2 or 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so let's go. All right. Look at that jalapeno pepper beignet. It's just crazy with the cream cheese, and it's perfect. It's very good. So for the meat, it's exactly the same as in the previous video. So 200 grams of beef, 70-30, okay, and I put some rub, Mexican rub here. I form a bowl, I mix the meat, when I have a great bowl, I will just push on it, create a 7 to 8 centimeters wide disc, okay, and then I will create a cavity with my thumb, so it prevents the meat to inflate during the cooking, and it's ready to grill. Okay, here I did a 2-zone fire because I have the first thing is that I don't have any side to prepare on the grate, and the second thing is that I have a lot of bacon, and it's a very fatty bacon. So if I don't use a 2-zone grill, I will get a grease fire anyway in the grill. So now I will add the mesquite chunks on the charcoal. Now for the mesquite, I will wait to get some flames before to grill the meat, because I don't want to over smoke the meat. I just need to get a good mesquite taste, but not to smoke the meat. Okay, so once it burns very well, I will grill the patties. So to dress the burger, it's as usual, salad, then the meat, then the sauce, then the onions and tomatoes, and I finish with the jalapeno beignet. Okay. So thank you for watching this video about the Tex-Mex Burger from Smokehouse, and I hope you appreciate. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.